911, what is the address of your emergency?
Hi, I'm at the In-N-Out on Laguna. There's some man in here who was just harassing a few, kids that were eating here. I'm not sure,
Are you an employee?
if they were, I'm not. I'm just a customer eating in here.
Okay. And this is the In-N-Out right off of, Bond, next to 99, right?
Right. There's some man in here who's kind of causing, a ruckus. He's talking bad to people. It looks like he might have, a weapon in his pocket. I don't know.
What do you mean?
He's not being,
Hold on. Let's talk about what you think is a weapon in his pocket. Why do you think there's a weapon in his pocket?
It looks like there might be the butt of a gun, in his pocket.
What are you seeing?
A handle.
Okay.
Based on the caller's description, officers had strong reason to believe the suspect might be armed and potentially dangerous. In situations like this, even the suggestion of a firearm, especially in a public setting, warrants immediate intervention under California law. Penal Code 417 makes it a crime to brandish or display a weapon in a threatening way, and that includes concealed carry when used to intimidate. Officers acted quickly to contain the scene, positioning themselves to prevent the suspect from entering the restaurant again and possibly endangering others.
All right, he's under the third umbrella past the front door, sitting down at the table. Yeah, you guys go now. Block that front door, you go to him. Fourth umbrella, he's right in front of the door, or the umbrella right now. Right there, get him before he gets to the front door.
Hands up, don't move. Get your hands on your hands. Get your hands on. Don't move.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Let me see your hands. Don't move.
When the suspect fled between parked cars with a firearm visibly in his hand, one officer discharged his weapon. Police are authorized to use force when they reasonably believe there is an imminent threat to themselves or others. In this case, the suspect was armed, non-compliant, and had reportedly harassed civilians. A K-9 unit was also deployed during the takedown, as officers attempted to neutralize the threat while minimizing risk to bystanders.
Or the umbrella right now. Right there, get him before he gets to the front door.
Let me see your hands. Shoot it.
Shots fired.
Let me see your hands.
Shots fired, we got the gun. Hey, grab him. Shoot on.
Get your hands behind your back.
Fortunately, no civilians or officers were harmed. The suspect, Jerry Tolliver, survived and was transported for medical care. He was later found in possession of a loaded .38 special revolver. He now faces several felony charges, including assault with a deadly weapon on a peace officer and felon in possession of a firearm. Officers' swift response likely prevented a far worse outcome at what started as a routine night at a local In-N-Out. Support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. It really helps. See you in the next video.